Welcome to CNC Design Vault, your ultimate source for all things CNC and design. In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove unwanted parts from a 3D model after downloading a free STL file from any website and importing it into Aspire software. First, open Aspire software and create a new file. Once you've set your dimensions, click OK. Next, go to the top menu bar, click on File, then choose Import and select Import Component 3D Model from the drop-down menu. Now, locate and select the downloaded STL file from your computer, then click OK. Your 3D model will be loaded into Aspire software. Don't worry if the model doesn't look right at first. Just check the size of your 3D model, then adjust the size of your panel to match. Once done, your 3D model will appear clearly on the screen. Here is your clean 3D model. You can now adjust its dimensions as needed using the tools available in Aspire software. So here's the final look of your imported 3D model. It looks amazing. But wait, you'll notice there's a company logo attached to the model. If you try to ungroup it, it disappears and can't be separated. But don't worry, I've got a solution for that. To remove the unwanted object, go to the Drawing section and under the Create Vectors menu, select Draw Rectangle. Use this tool to draw a rectangle around the unwanted part of the model. Next, select the 3D model, hold down the Shift key, and then select the rectangle you just drew. Now, go to the Modeling section and choose the tool named Clear Area of Selected Component inside Selected Vector. Click on it, and just like that, the unwanted object is gone. Amazing! I hope you enjoyed this video. But hey, you almost forgot one thing. You haven't subscribed to my channel yet. No worries, you can still subscribe now and stay tuned for more upcoming videos with free 3D models made just for you. Thanks for watching.